Hey guys, I hope you're well. Courtney Roulston here with my next and possibly best yet what's for dinner recipe. Tonight I'm making my Greek chicken pie. It's utilising the best of humble ingredients to feed a family of 4 for under $20, so it's brilliant value too. Let's get on with the cooking. So I'm using chicken thighs for my pie today. They are great value for money and they are just packed with flavour. I'm going to slowly cook these down and shred them. In with that chicken, I've gone in with 3 sliced onions, and you want to add in 2 cups of chicken stock. Cover it with a lid and let that gently simmer away for around 30 minutes. Have a look at our braising chicken and onions. Look at that. So I'm going to remove the chicken now, and I'm just going to let the chicken cool slightly, and then I'm going to shred that for our pie filling with the onions and our remaining stock. I'm just going to let it cook down and thicken up for around another 15 minutes. All we need to do is finish off this pie filling, and we need some eggs for this. So no cream in this pie. Our shredded chicken can go in with the onions, so a good pinch of sea salt and a few really good grinds of cracked black pepper. Pop in the eggs. Cooker's not on, just so you know, that all the heat's off. We're not making scrambled eggs. You want to keep this mixture nice and cool. Okay, for our pastry for our Greek pie, I'm going to generously grease the bottom of that tart tin, and we just need to brush each layer of filo with a little oil as well. I'm going on with 3 sheets on the bottom. The filling now can go in on top of our filo pastry. 3 more layers on the top of the pie. Roll up the edges of the pie. Final touch of olive oil over the top of the pastry. My oven is set quite high to start with this pie. We're going to give this about 15 minutes. We're going to cut some pieces of the pie, and then it's going to go back in the oven for another 30 minutes. So a good job while the pie is resting is just to make a really nice, quick Greek green salad to go with our pie. All right, look at that brilliant pie, bit of green salad to make a complete meal, all for under $5 a portion. Head on over to coles.com.au for loads more What's for Dinner recipe inspiration. For now, I'm not going anywhere. Me, my Greek chicken pie. Oh yeah, it's winner winner.